Welcome to Maniacs Garage. I'm John.
What up? I'm Jim.
And we are in his truck right now because we are gonna go and pick up some wheels, temporary maybe, for the 62 Mercury. Welcome to our channel. If you're brand new, make sure you subscribe, leave us a thumbs up and all that stuff. And if you guys are repeat viewers, we thank you for following us for all this time. We've been around for about 4 years, building some cool stuff. We built the 49 Ford, body swapped on a BMW chassis. That thing's running around, having a really good time with it. But right now we're working on a 62 Mercury, and it's a really cool patina cruiser. It needs some wheels right now so we can put it on the ground, and we are gonna go and check out these used wheels here in Tucson, see if we like them, see if they're gonna work. Let's get rolling.
I'm gonna get some cash, dude.
Oh yeah, we gotta get some cash, so let's go to the bank.
Let's go play.
Hey, Ryan here with Maniacs Garage, here with Boxo Tools today. Loving these awesome moto boxes, man. You got a wrench with a tire spoon. Super cool stuff. Got your axle tools, metric sockets, metric Allens. You've got screwdrivers, a hammer. Got to have the tape measure for setting that sag, right? And you've got a great set of pliers, including safety wire pliers. Bottom, you got a full set of end wrenches. Got to check your tire pressure. They also offer this awesome 5-drawer option with a huge drawer on the bottom to put all your own stuff. Comes with a couple extra goodies like a spoke wrench and an optional T-handle wrench. Cool stuff. Go check them out at Boxo USA. Enter Maniacs at the checkout for a discount. Let's get back to our show.
Well, we picked those wheels up. That's a pretty decent deal, 400 bucks.
Yeah, tires are good.
100 bucks a wheel, rims and tires, decent. Wheels have some road rash on it. We're gonna try to sand it out, and we don't know how long they're gonna stay on the car, but I think they're gonna actually look all right. Yeah. Once we get that black off of it and just leave it all bare aluminum for a bit, see what it looks like.
Yeah.
So where are you taking me, dude?
Rudy's, bro.
Rudy's, we're gonna get some lunch over here?
Get some
I
meat.
hear it's really good stuff. Say that was a good introduction to Rudy's. I like it. That was good. Some good grub right there. Let's get back to the shop and do some work.
Put some wheels on, huh?
Something.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. Tell me the good news. Tell me these things fit.
Oh my god.
If they don't fit,
Stop.
Super bummed.
Stop.
Okay, lugs are good. All right, lugs are good. Hub is good. All right. That part of the fitment's good.
Yeah, so
Clears brakes, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Not bad, and then we can throw a little spacer on if we need to push it out a little bit.
Yeah.
It looks like it may be pretty far in, but again, these may just be temporaries, so.
Yeah.
Rad, dude.
Rad.
All right.
Well, Maniacs, this doesn't seem like a common ending for us, does it? The front wheels interfere with the upper control arms and will require spacers. In figuring this out, we forgot to shoot our outro. So check back here in a week or two for the wheel installation and to see this beast driving around. Thanks for watching.